Firstly, insert the hollow side of the holder onto the machine and twist it all the way in. Then take out the bracket. Unscrew the other end of the holder and place the bracket on top, then screw it back up. Then we go to the back side of the device, aim the filter at the filter jack, and insert it all the way in. Next, the cooling handle. Aim the handle at the jack. Make sure the pieces are all lined up. Press on the buckles and push the handle in. When it's properly connected, you'll hear a clear click sound. Then place the handpiece on the bracket. Connect the power cord with the jack. Then we go to the 3 holes on the right. The first one is inlet for you to pouring water into the water tank. Connect the end of the funnel with the hole. When it's properly connected, the metal piece at the top will pop up. Unscrew the second hole, which is overflow, and take off the white rubber cover. Then you can start pouring water through the funnel. When the water tank is full, the overflow will spit out water, so that's when you should stop. Press down on the metal piece and at the same time unplug the funnel tube. Make sure you do it at the same time because otherwise the tube cannot be unplugged. Put the white rubber cover back onto the overflow and screw it back up. Drain the machine first when not used for some time and fill in fresh water before use. Drain the machine after 2 to 3 months of usage and fill in fresh water before use. When you need to drain the water tank, connect the same funnel tube with the outlet, the 3rd hole. But notice here you need to unscrew the overflow and take off the rubber cover as well for it to start draining. Make sure there is enough water in the machine before power it on. Do not turn on the machine before filling in water. Turn on the red power switch to start the treatment. After turning on the device, the screen will show you the correct way to insert the filter as well. Then you can adjust all parameters on the screen such as time and temperature. The knob at the back is for adjusting vacuum suction intensity. Turning counterclockwise to decrease the suction intensity and clockwise to increase the suction intensity.